Hello guys, you tablet Pixus Joker. This version 4GB RAM memory and 64GB internal memory in the gold color. Open box, look completion. Okay. In completion we have device, okay, made of metal and plastic. Quick guide, and in completion we have adapter for charging and USB Type-C cable. This is all completion, okay. Now talk about device. 10-inch display, front camera. On the left side without controls, right side power key and volume keys at headphones jack, downside speakers, upside USB Type-C port, and we have 2 slots for nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Main camera and LED. Turn on. Okay. Display Full HD resolution, IPS display. Open Geekbench 5. Talk about system information. CPU MediaTek MT6762 octa-core, 4+4 cores, 1.5 and 2 GHz CPU speed. GPU PowerVR GA8320, resolution display PPA. Okay, look results. Single core score and multi-core score. And GPU results. Don't have GPU results, okay. Look onto the benchmark score. Onto the benchmark score, okay, close. Open the modded game GTA San Andreas. Look how GTA San Andreas work on the device. Start game. Works good, without lags. Okay, close this and talk about camera. Main camera 8 megapixels, and now I show you photos on the main camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.